I have picked out 5 exceptional vessels that still have availability for this coming summer. The first one I want to mention is Motor Yacht Freedom. It's a 47-meter super yacht that can accommodate up to 24 people, and it's based between Split and Dubrovnik. That still has availability for the first week of June. The second one is a new Lagoon 55-foot based in Athens, ready to discover the Cyclade Islands. That does have one available week left between the 12th and the 19th of June. It's a new yacht. It can take 10 people in 5 cabins. Yep, get in touch and we'll be able to work out a itinerary for you on that one. The third one I'd like to mention is a 66-foot powerboat based in Croatia. It's brand new. It's an Azimut Magellano 66. I have booked 1 week at the end of June on this boat, but other than that, it's wide open. It's a great option for 8 guests, and it's a beautiful boat, literally brand new with Italian styling and exceptional layout. This is a Lagoon 55. It is brand new. I was just talking to the manager yesterday because I just had a booking on it, and the boat is literally just on its way to Greece, and it will be launched at the boat show in Poros at the end of April, which I'll be there to see it. The boat's name is Utopia, and it's based between Corfu and Lefkas, so this would be for a completely different itinerary in Greece. It would be on the west coast in the Ionian Sea, which would be a different experience from a lot of the boats based from Athens. That has 2 weeks availability left in late August. Other than that, it's pretty much booked out for the season. But that is a brand new boat. Again, it can take 10 guests in 5 cabins, and that's definitely an option worth looking at for anyone looking at the Ionian Sea. Finally, onto a sailing yacht. This one is called Gitana. It's basically a 36-meter Perini. This boat was basically Fabio Perini's first custom built that he actually built for himself. I've been on the boat, and it's like a museum, a Perini museum. The attention to detail is unbelievable. That would definitely be an experience for a sailing enthusiast who knows the Perini brand and wanted to experience that. They would feel like they're being part of a bit of history.